Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what we have here. We have a WindTunnel 3 Air Pro vacuum cleaner by Hoover. And so this is actually my mother-in-law's vacuum cleaner, and every couple of weeks she calls me up and says, "Hey Gio." Yes, she calls me Gio. "Hey Gio, how do you clean the dirt or remove the dirt out of the dirt cup of the vacuum cleaner?" And so no matter how many times I show her how to do this, she sometimes forgets. And it's actually pretty easy if not intuitive. And I'll show you how today. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the vacuum is off, and the power button for this particular unit is right here. You don't necessarily have to unplug the vacuum cleaner. And then at the very top of the dirt cup or dirt compartment above the filters, you'll see a little green button with a lock symbol. You just want to depress that while holding the handle and rotate the whole unit out. And then you just hold the dirt cup over the wastebasket, and you'll see a little green button at the bottom of the dirt cup, which you will just depress, and there'll be a trap door at the bottom which will open up and dispose of the debris. Once you dump it all out, just reattach the trap door so it closes properly. Bring it back to the vacuum cleaner. Put the bottom down first and kind of rotate it in until it locks tight up on top. And there you go, you're all done. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.